with technology redefining the boundary of integrated aerospace operations. Laser guidance and mapping system Sagittarius LG10, introducing a new paradigm for nighttime operations. Equipped with a 520nm dot lens, 850 nm infrared field light lens, 520 nm mapping lens, and illumination lens, hot swappable modules. Innovative tool, free mounting, can be directly installed on DJI series gimbal lenses, enabling synchronized operation, simple and efficient, secure and stable, meeting diverse guidance needs. Effectively solve the problem of target locking at night. Direction and azimuth guidance, mapping alert, hidden lighting and other industries pain points. All functions remotely adjustable via controller interface. 1 high-power laser emitter, high nighttime brightness, long effective range. During night rescue missions for trapped individuals. Rapid scanning via drone camera, target acquisition complete. Laser guidance enables precise positioning, guaranteeing rescue team arrival at designated coordinates. Quickly locate trapped individuals. The Sagittarius LG10, with exceptional stability and versatile functionality, confidently handles emergencies. Complex scenarios fully mastered.